What's up, YouTube? I just did my makeup. Don't look at me. But I need to do my hair really quick because I'm getting my toes done. And the quickest option is literally a bun. So first, I'm gonna start with this leave-in conditioner from Crown Affair. I'm gonna just run that all through my hair because I don't know, like on the days that I put my hair in a bun, I like to give myself like little like hair mask, hair treatment. I just feel like since it's already like kind of a protected hairstyle and I'm not using heat, I might as well take the opportunity. And since it doesn't have to be like a dry look, like normally if I style my hair, like I can't put this many like products. I just put on this Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. Both of these products smell so good. But yeah, I'm gonna just brush through real quick. I'm trying to decide what type of bun I should do. Like, should it be a high bun? Or a low bun? Or a mid bun? So I guess the next thing would be that you need hair ties, which I'm just now realizing that I don't have any, so hold on. So I'm gonna put one in just like for right now. It's like temporary because I know this is not perfect looking yet. I am gonna go in with this Eco Gel. You can get any of the Eco Gels that you want. This one's my favorite though, and it smells so good. But yeah, so I just put my hair up into like a ponytail just to kind of hold it for me because I only have two hands. And this makes the process a lot easier. So I like to put in like all the oils and like hair mask, like leave-in conditioners, everything first, and then I go in with the gel. And then I like to just like comb through, or I guess like brush through everything. And then I'm gonna take the ponytail out, and now we're gonna do it better this time. And make sure like when you're doing this that you're like brushing everything, like all the hair into the ponytail. You see what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes sense. And then literally try to hold it as tight as you can when you're actually trying to make the actual ponytail for the bun. I use like two hair ties because I just feel like that's easier for me. Hold on though, it's still not perfect yet. So then for the hairspray, I'm gonna take the Luster's Pink Spritz Design Control Formula. I don't know, it's a hairspray though, and it looks like this. And then I'm gonna go over everything with this bristle brush to kind of like smooth shit out. It looks like this. Like any of these bumps or lines from the brush or like anything will go away with this brush, and I love it. Like a brush like this is game changing, like for buns and updos in general. Alright, and then I think this is the final one. I like to take a little more leave-in conditioner on the ends because I feel like that's where, you know, all your split ends are and like the dry pieces. So I like to coat that, like literally smother it in leave-in conditioner, and then I'll start to twist it up into a bun. And then I go in with the second hair tie. Then with the bristle brush, I'm just gonna spray some hairspray on it. And since I don't have a toothbrush, or I can't find like my edge brush, to be honest, so I'm gonna just use this bristle brush. And then I don't know if you can see, but I have like my baby hairs are curly, so I have to like brush them into my bun, because otherwise they just like stick out, which it can be kind of cute sometimes, but I'm not in the mood today. But yeah, this is literally exactly how I do my buns. I don't know what the back looks like. I'm honestly scared to show you. I guess I'll see when I edit this video what it looks like, because honestly, I never know what the back looks like. So yeah, whatever. But yeah, that's how I do my bun. And that's it for this video. I know it wasn't that long and not that complicated, but I feel like I get some questions, and honestly it was a process even for me to figure out how to do this, because even though it seems simple, I feel like it's really not that simple. If you have any other like tips, don't be shy, leave them down in the comments so that, you know, we can all grow together as a big happy family. Okay, that's it. I gotta go.